You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish, generally used as a word in Spanish. In Spanish, the meaning is life. How do you say life in Spanish? Spanish pronunciation, vida. B, yes, the V is normally pronounced like a B. Vida, with a stress on the first syllable, vida. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, in English you can say it as vida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.